Hey YouTube, it's your girl Monica Caker. Since I'm out of school for the summer, I decided that I would do a video. This video is going to be about my lock craziness as usual. Um, it will be 2 years in August that I've had my locks. We're still going through a few rough situations, of course. Wouldn't be me if I wasn't. I got this one here that I have knotted and sewn together. I have one today after I wash my hair to where I have put 3 together. I still have a little bit of build-up in the back. It's probably from me not being able to see in the back of my head. I have to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Best thing to do, probably get somebody professionally to do it, and then I'll worry about it. See whether or not my parts are straight. If you watch Brun Goddess, she has some really good tips. Trying to abstain from washing my hair all the time and twisting it. Just wash it, let it go. Try to do a little something to the front so you can't tell that it's real frizzy. And that way it'll look halfway decent. I do have some hang time. Let me see if I can get the camera in the back. I don't know, I'm not good at this. I'm not that good of an editor and all this good stuff. I don't know. Okay. That's the best I can do. It is getting long though. Wish they were thicker. Kinda like I'm trying to think of this lady's name. Is it Barbadian 261? Lovely locks. Always puts like quick weaves on her hair. Wish I could do that, but it's supposed to get hot and can't take the weaves. Only thing I do now is put olive oil in it. I had a loctician start my locks, but no money, so you learn how to do the best you can your own self. Having to hold my camera, I don't have a stand or anything. All that high tech stuff some of you guys have, I don't have it. Right here is my little ghetto lamp. Trying to get a little light on my face, not look too crazy. I always make videos looking like I'm on something. I don't know, just weird faces, weird everything. I don't know. I'm get better at this. Thank you to my 14 subscribers. Yes, 14 subscribers. Yes, double-digit subscribers. Thank all of you. Love you. Especially Who Knew 06, very first subscriber. You have a place in here, honey. You really do. But I don't have too much to say. So I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.